Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have my son, Shawn, open up the box. Go ahead. What's in there?
What the? Oh.
Okay, it comes with this. Does it come this way? Okay, okay.
Oh.
So this is a chocolate cookie.
Let me have Oreos here.
Alright guys, so Shawn has opened up the box. So here is the chocolate chip cookie, here is the chocolate cookie house that we're going to be assembling. And then it comes with the packet of the Oreo minis, which I know Junior is dying to get open. And these as well. Come with a pack of little candies here. Some little jellies. And some frosting. Now, I will say this. Me and this frosting does not get along. And it never turns out like this. You see this? It never turns out like this. If anybody's gingerbread houses or any of these things turns out like this, comment down below and let me know. I was going to put some school glue. But I know he's going to eat this, so I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to add the glue, but I want mine to come out like this. So, they are liars. So, what we are going to do is we're just going to go ahead and get started. So, they want us to go ahead and, here's the instructions here. So, they want us to go ahead and put the frosting. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, and I cleaned off the counter. Oh my god, guys, this cookie is so soft. Oh, I could just, oh my god, yeah, it's so soft. I'm like Junior now. That is, wait, you know you're gonna break it. It is soft.
What is so soft with this? Soft?
It is soft.
Yes.
Alright guys, so I did do like, of course it's too big, but they should have gave like smaller one for decorating and then a big one more for, you know, sticking the house together. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and, nope, you know what? I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do it differently this time. We're gonna decorate these pieces first and then we're gonna stick them together. I'm doing it the smart way. So we're gonna decorate. It's definitely not hard. Okay, baby. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're gonna decorate them. Wait, don't. Okay. So yeah, let's put some frosting on this because that's what we're about to do. We're not gonna frosting it while it's on there. Nope. We're gonna decorate it while it's okay. Open up the Oreos. Wait, let's see what we need Oreos for. The roof? Okay.
No, we need it. No, we need a roof.
We need a roof. We're gonna do the roof.
We need a new roof.
We don't need a roof?
We have not enough roof.
Oh, you don't? He don't want to make the roof because he don't want to give up the Oreo cookies.
Okay, let's make a roof.
We're gonna make a roof.
Okay.
And we just gonna, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get them windows out the way right now.
No, you can't do it with that.
You're laughing at my windows, man?
You cannot do it with that.
I can already tell.
Well, you can do it with that.
Why not?
Do it with this.
Oh yeah, them people on the box lie.
Yeah, you cannot do it with this. You gotta do it with that.
Open this. Let's open this up.
Let me help you.
We need that. Thank you, baby. Okay. Cause that has to go right here. Come on, put one right there.
Okay.
One of those. Put one of those right there. Put it down, like boom, right in the middle.
Okay.
Boom, right there. Yeah. Not
Squeeze
too hard. There you go. Okay.
Squeeze it on.
And now it's saying that we need to cut this in half.
We gotta cut that. Cut that Oreo. Cut that here.
We're gonna cut that Oreo.
Cut
Which,
that
Oreo.
Cut that Oreo.
Okay.
Oh, that's in my ear.
Okay, boom. So it wants us to put this here. And we're gonna do that like that. Okay.
That's not cool.
That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay.
That's bad. That's bad.
Next one.
Damage.
It's got some
So we gotta
damage.
make a door.
Oh yeah, we forgot the door.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? We can make the door with your
The small frosting.
yeah, you got some small frosting somewhere.
The big frosting.
I don't know where it is. I might have threw it away. I might have thrown it away.
Okay, now the big frosting.
So I found this. So why not use this for tracing some of it? And I found another. Oh, okay, hold on. I think I found some other ones.
Oh God!
Found some other ones too.
Oh God!
So, okay. See? Oh, and I got white. Yes. See? Yeah. This is what we need right here.
You taste it?
No, I gotta cut it.
Go.
Okay, see? This is what I got. This is gonna help me out. Now watch the difference. This is what I'm talking about. See, look at that. Now it's gonna turn out how it's supposed to turn out. So guys, if you're gonna do one of these, get this. Because they lie. They are liars. So here it go, guys, and I gotta hurry up before the roof slides off. Uh-oh. Really? I don't even want to touch it. Junior took off eating Oreos. Left me hanging. Oh, forget it. Alright, guys, so here is the finish. Oh wow, it's like leaning. Here is the finished product. They have that. Junior's gonna eat this all, I'm sure. And we have that side. So it doesn't look too bad versus the box. That's mine. This is the box. Mine. The box. You gotta be careful, it's gonna fall. So that is the box, and this is mine.
Mom, just see when I fall down.
Yeah. Oh, it came off.
Oh no.
It's okay. It is a-okay. Would you like to?
Because I can eat it. Yes, I can eat it. I can eat it. Oh my.
Alright, guys, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Until next time, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.